Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. As preparation for one of my classes this week, I asked my students to watch a TED Talk by a reformed criminal. This guy used to be a master pickpocket, but these days he makes his living as a public speaker, a performer, I guess you could say an entertainer, telling people about the way in which selective attention makes us easy pickings for criminals. One of the most remarkable things about this particular man is the fact that he's managed to go straight. If somebody goes straight, they basically become honest and lead an honest life after having been a criminal before. So maybe somebody decides to leave a gang and go straight, or try to go straight. You might warn friends of yours or people you've grown up with that they need to go straight before they end up in jail. Maybe there's a mother who's worried about her son who's a drug dealer or a petty criminal, and just when she thinks that maybe he was about to go straight, she gets a telephone call saying that he's been arrested. And one of the biggest obstacles that people wanting to go straight need to overcome is their environment. Because obviously people will never be able to go straight if they're still hanging around with the same old friends who've been in and out of jail most of their lives. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. Please do click the like button, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use go straight.